Hey there, Shelly here with Shelly Can Help. I am a nutrition chef that teaches you how to incorporate anti-inflammatory foods and habits into your lifestyle. I do believe we are what we eat every single day. All of my recipes promote an anti-inflammatory diet, which means I leave out some common food groups in my recipes. For example, I do not cook with dairy. Dairy causes inflammation in the body when you eat it on a daily basis. And I'm talking about the processed dairy that we get at the grocery store. So think milk, cheese, butter, sour cream, yogurt, ice cream. All of that stuff we're consuming on a daily basis, and our body's just not meant to consume that much dairy. Dairy comes from a cow. It's trying to grow a calf to be a 1-ton animal. So I like to squash the myth that you need dairy in order to get your calcium. I get that question a lot. I teach a lot of online workshops and classes, and that's probably one of the top questions I get. So I want to talk to you today about all the ways that you can get calcium that are not dairy. But we do need calcium for our bone health. It's very important that we have calcium in our diet. So let's talk about the ways that we can eat it without eating cow's milk. All right, the number one on the list is leafy greens. Leafy greens have calcium. Broccoli also has calcium. Legumes, meaning beans, they have calcium. Seeds like sesame seeds are very high in calcium. Almonds and chia seeds also have calcium. There are 2 fruits that are high in calcium, and those are figs and oranges. And the other vegetable besides broccoli that I love for calcium is okra, which is really great in the summer, right? So I am here to encourage you that you don't need dairy to make your foods delicious. You don't need dairy to get your calcium. There's a whole host of foods that contain calcium that are not dairy. But make sure you're getting calcium in your diet because it will help you keep your bones healthy and strong. Be sure to subscribe for more healthy eating and cooking tips and recipes.